how to delete old post on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you delete old post on Facebook. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Facebook app with your account. After you open Facebook, you'll get this kind of interface. From your at the top left, tap on your profile icon. After you open your profile section, from here you'll have to scroll down and find out your all old posts whom you want to delete. You'll have to just scroll down until you get down at the last. After you are in the last, or if you want to delete that, simply you'll have to just tap on the three dot of that post that will appear at the top right corner. After you tap on that, simply from here you'll have to tap on move to trash, or let's simply tap on move. After you add that post or item in the trash, that post will be automatic deleted after 30 days. You can also delete them from your trash bin. Simply tap on move. Alright, as you can see, the post has been moved to my trash. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.